We often come across means we often listen to words that are unfamiliar, that means unknown to us. When we read books, newspapers, or magazines, when we read books, newspapers, and magazines, there are some unknown words which we come across. We also hear new words and phrases when we watch TV programs. How do we find the meanings of these words? In the classroom, the teacher is always available to the students to tell the meaning of the new and difficult words. But she cannot accompany every student all the time to explain the meaning of every new word. It means that when you are present in the classroom, there is a teacher who explains you each and every meaning when she gives you lessons. But everywhere there is no teacher. When there is library, you have to read alone, or elsewhere in your house or at your friend's home, there is no teacher to explain you. Besides, grown-up people also need help in this respect. A language has hundreds of thousands of words in it. It is impossible for one person to know all of them, but all these words can be explained in a dictionary. Yes, besides grown-up people, besides children, also the grown-up people need the help of dictionary, because everyone does not know each and every meaning. Hence, not only children but grown-ups also need dictionary. This is the meaning of this line. A language has hundreds of thousands of words in it. In every language there are thousands of words. There are so many words in every language, but no one knows each and every meaning. It is impossible for one person to know all of them. Yes, it is correct. No one knows all the meanings of each and every word of all words of every language or the language he knows. But all these words can be explained in a dictionary, because in dictionary all the words are available. At some time or other, you must have been advised to look up a word in a dictionary by your teachers or parents. Yes, sometimes your teachers give you homework to find out 5 or 10 words, meanings of the 5 or 10 words. And sometimes your parents also ask you to find out meanings. Let us now see what the word dictionary means. Given below are some examples of how the word might be explained in different dictionaries. Yes, the meaning of dictionary is a book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. You look up a word in a dictionary to find out what it means and how to spell it. A dictionary means a book that gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains their meanings in the same language or another language. Number 2, a book that explains words used in a subject. Yes, there are some dictionaries which explain the meaning in other language, or there are some dictionaries which explain the meaning in the same language.
Using a dictionary.
A dictionary is a reference book that lists words in alphabetical order.
It gives meaning and other details of the listed words. Each listed word is called an entry word. Ricky has put up an informative chart of the entry word handful from a dictionary. Look, read and understand the details about the entry word. Entry word. Here, handful is the entry word.
It is on page 220 of the dictionary.
The dot is used to separate the syllables. part of speech. It tells what part of speech the entry word is. Pronunciation.
It tells how to pronounce the entry word.
Definition. It explains the meaning of the entry word. Some entry words have more than one meaning. In such cases, the definitions are numbered. Example sentence. This is used to make the meaning clearer. Guide words. The first and last words on the page also appear at the top of the page as guide words. It is easy to tell which words will appear on that page by looking at the guide words.